Today we're exploring Qualities of a Spiritual Warrior by Graham Cooke, the first book in his Way of the Warrior series. This book aims to help us develop the focus and peace of a spiritual warrior, aligning us with God's intentions. Cooke emphasizes that to engage in spiritual warfare effectively, we need to cultivate qualities like peace, fearlessness, and confidence in our identity. He introduces the concept of being captivated by God's majesty as a strategy to combat negativity, anxiety, and stress. This book also includes questions and activities designed to deepen our understanding of God's loving kindness, majesty, and grace. These exercises prepare us to face challenges with confidence, viewing them as opportunities for growth in our spiritual journey. Readers have noted that the book encourages operating from a place of rest and peace rather than reacting to circumstances. This approach fosters a lifestyle of positivity, joy, and deep faith, enabling us to step into our true identity. Overall, Qualities of a Spiritual Warrior offers practical insights for those seeking to strengthen their spiritual walk, emphasizing the importance of inner transformation and alignment with God's purpose.